Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to scale your e-commerce business onto the best marketplaces. We'll jump right into it. I'm going to explain exactly how this is going to help expand the reach of your products. And this is how to do it the right way. Basically, the idea here is that we want to scale our business by reaching more customers on new sales channels. This is a proven e-commerce strategy. The whole idea is that there are other people that might want to discover your brand, discover your products, and ultimately buy your products, but they're just on other marketplaces. And what we want to do is get our products present on those marketplaces. We want to be where our customers are. And this means that we're going to expand our product, scale our product onto different marketplaces, for example, Poshmark, for example, eBay, whatnot, right? These are big channels that have millions and millions of customers that can buy your product once you get there. But you might run into some pain points when you want to go ahead and implement this strategy. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app, and I'm going to show you the app that I use. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You're not going to need to be a programmer or a developer or some type of eCom expert in order to use this app and get your products on multiple channels. And most importantly, you want to use an app that's going to allow you to connect to multiple marketplaces, not just one, but you want to be able to integrate with all of the big marketplaces. You want to be on Poshmark and eBay and whatnot and many more. You want your product to be visible there because there are people there that might fall in love with your brand and buy your products. So how are you going to do this? Well, you're going to use Vendoo. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. You see the link directly below this video. It's an incredibly powerful tool. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you just how easy it is. But you'll see that we'll be able to have all of our marketplaces connected, and taking our product from one channel and moving it onto all of the other channels is incredibly easy. And again, the link is directly below this video. I'll show you it right over here. We have Vendoo, and it's really amazing because it allows you to get your business so much more visibility. You're going to get so many more leads. You're going to get so many more warm customers. You're going to get so many people discovering your brand. And it's all about cross-listing your product onto multiple channels. And Vendoo works very simply. It's going to import your existing items from, let's say, your Shopify store or from any other marketplace you're selling. It's going to have all of these marketplaces, all of these products in Vendoo. Then you're going to be able to cross-list your single and multi-quantity items. Doesn't matter. Even if it's multi-quantity, you'll still be able to do this. You could cross-list these products in 10 marketplaces in just a few clicks. Just takes a couple minutes. Very easy. You could mark your items as sold. You could instantly remove everything or a product from all platforms. You could bulk delist. You could bulk relist old listings into brand new ones. And really, they've thought of everything, and on top of that, an incredible analytics suite, so you could see all of your sales, your profit, your revenue, and all of the performance across the different marketplaces. It's incredibly powerful, and you see the marketplaces that you're going to be able to get onto immediately, right? Immediately onto Poshmark, immediately onto eBay, immediately onto whatnot, right? These are huge marketplaces. Take a look. You see Etsy on there, right? Grailed. Millions and millions of customers. Talking about scaling your business. This is a great way to unlock new growth and expand to more marketplaces, right? You're going to get over here across 11 marketplaces now with Whatnot, and this is the exclusive integration for Whatnot as well. Really powerful to get on there. It's a live selling platform. Basically, people are going to fall in love with your products 10 to 11 times more often now because they're going to be cross-listed to that many more marketplaces, and you'll have full control over how you can do that, but you're never going to need to manually list again. You're not going to need to go and copy and paste details and go from one marketplace to the next and spend all this time. You're going to be able to do it all through Vendoo and really hassle-free. Incredibly powerful, bulk tools as well. So many happy customers. You'll be able to get started for free. You see the link directly below this video. Multi-quantity listings, resizing and editing photos, the Vendoo sale detection. Really cool. It kind of eliminates any headaches of double selling. So let's say you have products on Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, eBay, right? Going to automatically detect any sales and then update inventory and remove listings as required. So saving you so much time not only on listing the products, but on managing your multiple marketplace sales as well. Really, really cool. Very perfect if you are doing a Shopify store, and very, very simple to use. So again, you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to log in to an account here, and I'm going to show you the back end of the tool and show you just how easy it is to use. Now I'm in the back end of my Vendoo account, and this is just a test account. I want to show you around and show you just how easy it is to get everything connected. And this is your dashboard. You're going to be loading into this. This is the inventory section, and really it's all about showing your products. You'll see, I'll come back to this section over here. You'll see down here a list of your products over here. We'll be able to click into these, see more information, see history of sales and stuff like that. Really cool. And of course, there's analytics as well that we'll cover. But this is going to be your listing of products. You can edit or sort them based on if they're in draft, active, or the ones that are sold. So we're taking a look at the active ones over here. And again, I'll click into these and show you all the details about them. But these are all products that are imported from the marketplaces that we're selling. You see eBay, and this one's on Grailed. And as we scroll down, we see Depop, Etsy, of course. So multiple products all across different marketplaces. And let's say you're just starting with Shopify, for example, which I know a lot of you are on Shopify, right? You're going to have a ton of Shopify products. We would see our Shopify products over here. And we can kind of come over here and start to filter and see different ones over here, and we'll be able to narrow down exactly what's going on or what products are where. And again, we see over here we have some where there are multiple icons, and that's going to be the whole point of this here. We're going to take our products, for example, this Shopify listing, any really Shopify listing that comes over here with the Shopify icon, meaning it's a Shopify product, right? And you can actually come over and click into it, and we see all the details, right? Any of these products will be able to be sent over into these marketplaces. So that's the whole name of the game, right? We're going to have our products listed in the inventory. We'll be able to then go ahead and send them to whatever marketplace we want, have them listed over there, and then have all of the customers be able to purchase directly on those marketplaces. So Depop customers will see our products. eBay customers will see our products. Etsy, Facebook, Grailed, etc., etc. You see all the different networks. Here's Whatnot as well. And how do you get these networks connected? Well, right inside of your settings, you'll have everything over here in terms of not only your preferences, but your marketplace connections. And this allows you to connect and disconnect easily. You basically just grant it permission in there. You want to install your Chrome extension as well. This is going to allow the app to work a lot better. And again, I'm just using a test account here, but this will be basically all of your account details to connect. And again, your account preferences, your subscription in terms of your pricing and how you're going to be going over here. I'm on the unlimited plan. On this one, you could export. Lots of great tutorials and support as well. Support's always available right down here in the corner. So we have the ability to reach out to them at all times to really support us on this main task, taking our products and listing them on other marketplaces. So we could also, of course, do searching, and we have some advanced filters over here like date created, duplicates, and finding all that cool stuff. But I'm just going to show you a very basic example. And, again, most of you have Shopify stores. So let's pretend that we have a Shopify store over here. We have 10 active products that are on Shopify. See the different products here, and these are all just test products, so don't worry about it. Your products would be listed here. And let's go ahead and do, this. So I should just go with this test product right here. Okay, you can imagine it's whatever. It's really just anything here. You see a picture of a Pokemon, actually. But we're going to come over here, and we could edit any details that we need to. But these product details are brought in directly from our product import. So if we come over here and do the Air Max, you see obviously more relevant information about the shoe here. And this just is all about, again, how it was brought over or imported from, in this case, Shopify. So on Shopify, you have this product description. You have this title. You have these attributes to the brand. We didn't create them in here. We imported them by simply having our marketplaces connected. That's the whole magic here. We're going to take it from one marketplace, move it into the next. So editing anything that we want, we'd be able to do that right over here. Again, it's just a matter of which product that we want to go and take over into our Shopify store. And we'll come back over here. Take a look at this one, right? Description, brand, condition, color, all that stuff taken directly from our Shopify store. So let's go ahead and pick something over here. And we have these different options in terms of where we want to list. I'm going to go ahead and list it with eBay. So we'll list it over here. Now, sometimes you're going to need to add in information. Why? Because different platforms have different requirements. So we're going to come over here and we're going to go in here and put in black for this shirt over here. See if there's anything else that is going to be required over here. And you see as we scroll down, more things required. So we'll go through and figure or fill in all this. Again, this is really just about the idea of meeting the requirements for each marketplace. And in this case, we're doing eBay. So we'll come over here, shipping method, shipping cost, do calculated. We'll put in our shipping weight for our product. Okay, we'll put in our shipping details, setting our handling time, setting our service. We'll do priority mail. Okay, fixed price. Our price comes in automatically from our buy it now or from our import, and we'll save this here. So we need to go and finish. I'll go and enter this information in. And what else do we need to put in? Size. Right there. Okay. So we got everything over there. We'll save that. And now that we've met the requirements for eBay, we can go ahead and list this product, right? So we're going to literally be able to list this on eBay. And the same thing that we would do over here for any of the other listings, right? Let's say we want to go ahead and list it on Etsy next. And now we have this over here. It's literally live on eBay. We can go ahead and take a look at it right over there. But let's go to Etsy. Okay, we're going to come over here and go to Etsy now. Okay, and the same thing is going to happen, that there's going to be some requirements that we need to send over. Now the cool thing is it's going to grab as much information, Vendoo is, as possible. So as we start to kind of fill in more things here, we'll be able to put in all of the information automatically. But this being the first time we're listing this product on Etsy, we're going to fill in some of the information. Again, it carried over a lot of the different things over here. We'll come over here and set our package weight. And we'll go with our package dimensions. We set our return policy over there. We're going to save, and we're going to list on Etsy. So really powerful there. In this case, this is just a demo account. So, we would see that listing over there just like we saw with eBay over here. And very, very easy, right? You see view on eBay. But a cool thing over that we see is also delist on eBay. All being able to be done. You see that exact listing, the exact title, the exact price, the exact description that we had put in there. All the details that I put in there, right, were put in right over there. So really cool. You could also delist on eBay. Right, we go ahead and do that. It's going to literally delist the item for us. So very, very easy. You'll have access to all of these marketplaces, as many as you want, right? You can come over here. We can go and do the same thing for Grailed. See, there's some required information here. We're going to go in and fill all that in. And you just basically put in all this information required for each marketplace, and you'll be able to list them all. All of the marketplaces available will be shown on Connect More Marketplaces. We have all of the marketplaces in there except for Whatnot and Kidizen. So we'll be able to connect those as well. And as new marketplaces come on, they'll be shown over here. So very easy to use when it comes to getting our products connected. Once we have a lot of products connected, you'll start to see, especially when you have multiple filters over here, we'll be able to see things like this. Products that are on Shopify and Facebook. And if I hadn't delisted that, we would also have been able to select eBay here as well and see products that are on all three. So really, again, just filtering and all that stuff. Here's where we can create a new item manually. Here's where we can import items. But this is another thing I want to show you, the analytics. So really cool, shows you real time what's going on with your store. Of course, there's different date ranges that we can come over here. Let's do last 7 days, or we could do year to date. And it's going to show us all of our information over here, number of items sold. And again, keep in mind, this is just a demo account here. But you see the different visuals here. You're going to be able to come in here and very easily see, okay, what channel is driving the most marketplace revenue and which channel is driving the most marketplace profit. So we see over here, eBay, 58% of our profit, Depop, 13% of our profit, right? Differing categories, differing revenue amounts, different sale prices visually, right? So on eBay, we're averaging $93 sales. On Depop, only 50, right? So you might want to focus more attention on eBay, and we're just seeing that just visually here on the analytics screen. Again, number of items sold as well, showing that information. Change all of this different date ranges as well to really get it to be exactly how you want it to look and get the data that you need. So very, very easy when it comes to using this platform. You're going to be over here for the most part, right? You'll set up over here with settings and marketplace connections. You'll connect the Chrome extension, and then you'll connect all your marketplaces. Then you'll have your products imported, and you'll go ahead and select which product you want to go ahead and send to different marketplaces. And I highly recommend putting your products on all available marketplaces. We're just going to get more customers, right? More eyeballs and more money, more bottom line for your business. I also want to show you up here, there are multi-actions over here. So you can multi-delist, you can multi-edit, you can multi-delist and relist, or you can multi-delete. You could also export inventory to CSV, but this is cool when you want to do things in bulk. Let's say you want to remove products across multiple platforms, or you want to remove a whole category of products across multiple platforms. Easy to do bulk tasks here. Vendoo's really thought of everything. It's a great tool. So that was Vendoo, and just an incredibly powerful app. I highly recommend it. You see just how powerful it is, but also how easy it is to get your products onto those massive marketplaces and let customers really fall in love with your brand no matter where they are. So again, highly recommended. Take a look at the link directly below this video. Start cross-listing your products today, and I know this is going to help you make some money. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, talk to you real soon. Thanks.